Alright, so I just bought a brand new battery yesterday. Nice $70. Because I think my old one was junk, even though I left it on the trickle charger all winter. I think it wouldn't like charge, so I'd have no headlight. Now I have a headlight. It's charging. Seems to be good. Today I was going to put the 28mm carb back on so I can get it tuned for up north. I leave in less than 2 weeks. And I'll be up north for a full week. Maybe even a little bit more, maybe a little less, depending on when we want to come home. But I couldn't get the bowl off the bottom to change the jets because the screw is stripped out and I didn't feel like messing with it. So I'm going to take, what is this one? This is a 34mm. I'm going to try to tune it a little bit today just with this screw. I'm not expecting it to do much, but I'm going to see. It runs pretty good. It's just got a little bit of a bog cruising, so I'm hoping this will fix it. If not, mess with the needle a little bit. But I'm going to take it out, see what I can improve with that, and go from there, because I want to take it. If I can figure out a way to get this up north. Oh, look at all this hair. Dog hair. If I can figure out a good way to get it up north in the Jeep, I'm going to take it. So, I'm trying to get it dialed in while I have some time. I guess it was kind of running and I just held it. Didn't sound like it though. The idle's a little low. Crank it up. That's more like it. So yeah, I'm going to take it for a quick rip. See if I can get it dialed in enough to where I'm comfortable with taking it. Well, jeepers. Should get a little flooded there or what? She'll smooth out. Tires could use a little air. And this big beast here is why I quit my job. I bought my own carpet cleaning business. Essentially, I bought it from a company that no longer uses it. Came with a bunch of stuff. It's now mine. This week I'm getting the lettering redone so it says my information and not theirs. Gotta get all that covered up. I'm leaving like the background and everything, just covering up their information everywhere. But it's got a lift gate. Suppose I can show the machine. Truck mount machine, racks, hose reels, you name it. All the goodies. A lot of that stuff I had to buy afterwards, but that's my own company now, so I'm my own boss. I work when I want, how much I want, all that good stuff. So this has been my main focus lately, is getting this thing up and running. I went out and made some money with it already, but really trying to get it to pick up. But let's take the bike out, see how she runs. I'm only going to adjust that fuel screw here and there, see if anything changes. My front brake is still being really weird and sticky, like it's not smooth. It's either like it's braking or it's not. There's no like smooth point anymore. It's still being weird. I don't know what the deal is, but figure that out later. Take her for a few rips, see how she runs quick. I'll reset the counters so we can get a top speed today. I don't know if it's windy or not. Doesn't feel terrible in town, but once I get out in the country it might be a different story. We'll see. Feels good, watt, but it's the cruising I'm trying to get to work. Just keeps popping and sputtering, so I'm hoping that little fuel screw maybe will help that out by messing with it. I'm not sure if it will or not, but headlight's working. Nope, popping already. I don't know if it's too rich or lean though. Yeah, but ripping is good. So I'm going to pull over and put that screw in one full turn and just see if it'll make any difference at all. Half full turn. He's idling a little bit worse. It's probably not a good sign. Nope, still doing it. I can't tell if it's better or worse. Pull over again and mess with it. It might not even be the issue, but I was hoping it would at least kind of make it better. I've been fighting this little like stumble while I'm cruising at like 5% throttle for the longest time. On every carb though, it's not even like it's just one. Like every carb does it and they all run fine watt. So I'll pull over and do it again. Alright, I put it in a full turn. Now I'm out back to where I started. I'm gonna go out a full turn. The idle gets better and faster when I do that, so I'm wondering if that's the way I'm supposed to be going. And it's like every carb I have does this where I'm cruising at 5% throttle and it stutters, but watt rips, runs good. It's only cruising and it's all my carbs, it's not just one. So I'm a full turn out from where I started. We'll see if that helps. This might not even be my issue either. You want to cut it a little sharper there, buddy? Fucking idiot. You don't own the road. I'm way over here on the right side too. God, I hate this town. So many idiots. So many idiots. But anyways, I don't even know if this is my problem or not, but I'm gonna mess with this until I figure it out because I'm trying to get this thing ready for up north. So that's my goal. My goal is to have it up north ready. And hope I can get it up there and ride it on the back roads up there because that'll be super sick to ride up there. I'm gonna try to get it up there. So we'll see. Why's everybody staring at me today? Jeez. So right now we're out a full turn from where I started. I don't want to jinx it. I'm doing 42 and it hasn't popped yet. Couldn't be any smoother actually right now. This is perfect. So maybe I'm going in the right direction. Find out soon. But I'm hoping we're getting somewhere because it's been so annoying trying to figure this out. I just hate messing with carbs. Like, I just want to get on something and ride it without having to like tune it every time, you know? I hate that. It's kind of windy now that I'm not right in the middle of town, but when I get my back road, try to hit a few wheelies, do a couple speed runs. I don't have the draggy, so I can't do any quarter-mile stuff, but we'll see. We'll see what we can do. Oh yeah, it's windy out here. I'm going straight into the wind. We're still cruising at 60, but it is fighting me this way. The other way should be better. This way is definitely no good. Real strong out here. Got up to 71. It pops when I let off now instead of while I'm cruising though, but we'll figure that out. We'll figure it out. Slowly getting there. Jeez, that thing almost knocked me off my bike. It definitely seems to be a lot better though right now than it was as far as cruising and it spitting and sputtering. It still doesn't when I let off the throttle from full throttle, but I was also doing some like throttle chops to see if it would do it when I kind of let off, like to simulate how my throttle is during a wheelie most of the time, and it didn't seem too bad, so it might actually wheelie kind of decent. I guess I won't know until I do it, but it might be alright. Give it a shot the soonest opportunity I get to do a wheelie. Hopefully
soon. God, I miss riding this thing. I don't ride it enough. This is the second time I've had it out this year. Other than I took it to the gas station yesterday just to get gas and back. The one I just stopped at to do the jet, or the little adjustment, which is like literally less than 1 mile down the street. So I really haven't rode it much at all because of the battery, and I put a battery in it. So it might be good to go. I was gonna pull the whole wire harness out yesterday because it's so old and like it's been through a lot. I was gonna get just a brand new one, start fresh with it. But then the light started working, so I don't know if I jiggled the wire the right way. But I was thinking about just pulling the wire harness out and not taking it up north, but it seems to be working now, so let it do what it does and see what happens. My idle seems very high. Oh, it's sticking. That's not what you want. Fast, dude. It's like 35 through here. Look at this guy. I'm doing 63. What is he doing? Does he even know I'm coming? Oh, he's gunning it. He's gunning it. He doesn't want the mini bike to take the win. No, sir. That dude was killing her, too. It's literally like 35 through here, and that dude was just in it to win it. Weird. He didn't want the smoke, though, I'll tell you that for free. Crazy, I opened my sun visor for like 2 seconds for the first time, and a bug hits me right in the lip. Bounces all around my helmet. Who would have thought? The speed demon's still up here, though. He wants smoke. Catch me at a red light. Oh, you're going back to work. Have fun at work. I ain't trying to get in no trouble today. Here we go. Guys are staring at me. We got her up to. That was a pretty good one though. I hung her out for a while. Those guys were just, it was like a guidance grappa and they just stared at me. Probably calling the police. I should probably take this thing home for a little bit. Now that we're getting somewhere with the carb, that's good. We're good. I can take it home and kind of take it back out here again later now that I'm getting somewhere before I get thrown in jail for doing wheelies, you know. God forbid I have some fun. I guess I don't have a blinker, that's why that guy was waiting, he didn't know where I was going. But yeah, if I can get this thing up north like I planned, it is so cool up there. Like all the roads are just super, well not all of them, but most of the main roads are just super nice, smooth roads and nothing but trees on both sides. The old Northwoods. But it's super cool up there and I've been wanting to take this up there and ride for a while. What is this guy doing? So if I can get it up there, that'll be cool. I don't know what you're doing. Mail. Oh, bug went in my mouth. Nice. But yeah, if I can get this up there, I'm either gonna try to fit it on one of the trailers that we take. I'm not gonna be riding with that car, but they pull a trailer with a side-by-side, so I'm gonna see if there's room on there. If not, my girlfriend's got a brand new Jeep. the third row seating one. And there's only going to be me, her, and the baby riding in that. So I'm hoping there'll be room to either take the front and wheel tires off, or front and rear wheels off of this thing, fold the handlebars down, and I'll pack it in the back of the Jeep. That's the goal. Hope that works. But I'm going to try one way or another to get it up north for that week. Even if I got to put it back together when I get there, whatever. It'll be worth getting it there just to ride. I'll probably get lost because there's like no signal up there. GPS barely works. But it'll be worth it. It'll be cool. So that's the plan. Today's what, Tuesday? I leave not this coming weekend, but the weekend after. I leave that Saturday. Get there Saturday. We got Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Maybe Sunday, if we last that long, because last year we came home a couple days early just because we were beat, we were tired, our baby was only a few months old at the time. It was just, you know, vacation turns into you just want to be home after so long. So this year, baby's a little over 1, she's walking, she'll have a little bit more fun, so we'll see. But I'm taking back streets home, now that this thing's kind of getting figured out, one screw turn at a time. She still rips though. Like, it's not as fast down low as it is with the 28 on it, but it still feels pretty good. Not quite as good, but pretty similar. The 28's just way more snappy. It just has way more down low punch. This is just a little bit better up top, I feel like, but not as much down low. I love that backfire between shifts though. When I no clutch shifted, it just bang. But anyways, it's cruising good now, it seems like. I mean, it's better by like a million times. No hiccups, nothing. So I'm gonna call that decent. Put this thing away for a little bit, and then get her prepped for up north and figure out how I'm going to do that still.